Language learning is about fostering authentic language use in a classroom setting. But how can you achieve this without a full immersion program in the few hours you actually see your students? For me, the answer was the SmartClass Language Lab. It equipped me with all the tools I needed to improve my students' fluency while saving me time and keeping my students engaged. With SmartClass, you have the ability to do all teaching tasks you would expect in a traditional language lab setting. Monitoring students' screens, sharing visuals and/or audio with students or among students, sharing your screen for a lecture or student screens for presentations, and enabling the chat functions. What sets SmartClass apart is that teachers are able to simulate and foster organic interactions among their students by setting up pairs and groups for conversation and discussion activities. Recording students allows teachers to gauge where their students are struggling in real time and give immediate feedback. It also gives students the opportunity to listen back to their recordings, to self-reflect, and take ownership of their learning. It is also possible to launch activities through the SmartClass Language Lab. These activities can be assigned from structured language teaching curricula that were developed by a team of language educators and curriculum developers. Or teachers can create their own activities, choosing from 19 different templates. With just a few clicks, teachers can also practice for and administer simultaneous exams such as AP tests for world languages or TOEFL language proficiency exams. The SmartClass solution helped me reach every single student every day. It gives us teachers all the tools we need to support and encourage our students to engage in the target language, reach fluency, and retain their skills for lifelong learning.